Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will be tackling the following question. How to create a table that display the top N customer and their respective sale along with the total sale of the remaining customer. This is our table. This is top 5 customer and their sale along with the total sale of the remaining customer. We will solve this problem using the following 3 approaches. In the first and second approach, we will create a calculated table, and in the third approach, we will create calculated column. We will be using all these functions to solve this problem for each approach. In this video, we will only discuss in the first approach, and the second and third approach we will discuss in the second part of this video. And the video link you can find below in the description. The idea behind the solution is we will create a new table like this that display customer name and their total sale. From this table, we will identify the top 5 customer, and for the remaining customer, we will sum the total sale, add the aggregator value to this top N customer table, and it will appear like this. One more condition is that customers are sorted by their sales value in descending order, with the top performer at the first, while the remaining customer always display at the end of this report. Let us dive into the Power BI. We have two-dimension table, customer table and product table. It is connected to our fact table, that is order table, through one-to-many relationship. In the customer table, we have customer ID, customer name and contact details. And in the order table, column for order ID, customer ID and shipping detail and product detail and the sales column. And we have created a measure that sum the sales column of the order table. And in the product table, we have a column for product ID, product name and other product related details. Create a new table. We'll name it top customer, and we'll display the customer name. So we use summarize function, and our table is customer table. Then we want customer name column. Along with this customer name, we need a total sale associated with each customer. For that, we use a add column function. We'll name the new column total sale. The expression is customer sale measure. Close the bracket. Table with the customer name and their respective sale. Since we are retrieving only one column, that is customer name, from this customer table, we can use a values function. The values function is similar and easier to use compared to summarize function. When using summarize function, it scans the underlying data for the entire table and may result in slower performance. So let us use values function. We got the same result. We will assign this table to a variable. Variable name is all customer. The second variable name is top N customer. We use a top N function. For N value, we create another variable. This time we will give a 5 so that we can change dynamically later. We will bring that variable over here, N value. And our table is all customer, this table. The table just now we created, the all customer table. And expression is this total sale. Close the bracket, and we'll return this table. Now we have created a list of top 5 customer along with their sales. We'll remove this top 5 customer from the entire customer table, resulting the remaining table. We'll create another variable, remaining customer. For that we use the exit function. Left table for the exit function is all customer and the right table is top N customer. By applying the exit function, we can remove the top 5 customer from the entire customer table, resulting the remaining customer table. This is our remaining customer table. Sum this total sale column. To represent the aggregated value, we need to create an additional row named remaining customer. For that, we use a data table function. Another variable, top and remaining, because top and customer with the remaining. We use a data table. Column name will give the same name, customer name, and the data type is string. Give the value, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and in between inside we'll give the value, that is remaining customer. We have the name and we need to sum the sale of the entire table for the remaining customer. To do that, we use add column function. New column name is total sale, and the expression is, we cannot use the customer sale because customer sale is for entire table. We want to sum only for remaining customer table. We use sumX function. Table is remaining customer and the expression is total sale. We'll use a union function to combine these two tables, this table and top and customer table. So let us create another variable, top and remaining. The table one is top and customer, and the right table is the table just we created, that is remaining total. Close the bracket. Go to the report view. Bring this column from newly created table to our table visual. Now we have our result. However, the problem is that we need a table where the top 5 customers are in descending order and the remaining customers should be listed below the table. To achieve this, we need to use ranking function for the table. We will go back to our table. We need to create additional column called ranking over here, so that we can sort this table based on this ranking value. So we create another variable, top and ranking, and we use add column function, top and plus top and customer plus remaining customer. Our new column name is ranking, and the expression is if customer name is equal to remaining customer then n value plus 1, because we want to display the remaining customer row at the end of the report. If not, ranking of top and customer table based on the total sale value. Order by descending, close the bracket. We will return this top and ranking. Now you can see the ranking of remaining customer is 6. We need to sort this customer name by ranking. Back to our report, we can see our desired result. This way we can leverage the power of DAX to manipulate and transform the data in Power BI, providing greater flexibility and control over data transformation and data analysis. Thank you for watching. Catch us on the second part of this video. Bye bye.